What began as Searcy Field just northwest of Stillwater has now blossomed into Stillwater Regional Airport, serving multiple commercial flights per day as well as general aviation pilots and OSU flight students. Now, the airport is showing off its new home, ready to continue its service to the community.
Customers in Edmonds 2 and under on 4953 to Dallas-Fort Worth and all open aboard.
Our goal is that it's just such a transformational project. The terminal itself is bigger and truly a world-class experience and much more space. We were at capacity in the old terminal. We didn't have any physical room to grow. So we're excited to have this building that's a little over 31,000 square feet.
It's so important for quality of life for our residents and for our business opportunity, for our economic development. It's such a huge part of everything we do in Stillwater to have commercial air service available.
American Airlines currently offers twice daily flights to Dallas-Fort Worth, connecting Oklahoma State students, families, and the Stillwater community to a major travel hub.
I think our students and their families are going to really benefit through the convenience of it, certainly how modern it is, and it's certainly a vast improvement over the previous terminal, but I think they're going to find it to be a really comfortable place to fly in and out of when they visit Stillwater.
We have 2 mother's nursing rooms. We have a wellness room. We have a pet relief area, a much larger baggage claim, and then overall just it's a world-class terminal that is designed and built with inclusivity in mind to make sure that people of all ability levels can access and utilize the terminal.
The airport's connection to OSU goes beyond commercial travel. Its runways serve as a training ground for future pilots.
Oklahoma State's flight students are our biggest operator on the airport. Most of our aircraft flights are student training flights.
We have some really strong aviation-related programs at OSU, and they have hands-on experiences out here at the airport property, and so that gives another really great advantage to our students who are pursuing those disciplines.
It definitely is a full circle moment. I graduated from Oklahoma State several years ago from the aviation program. It's wonderful to get to see the growth and development that has happened since I graduated here, and I watched the commercial service come on board and the tremendous leadership of the leaders before me who have gotten us to this point.
I think my favorite part's the view you get coming in from the plane, right? Just looking at this from the outside, again, that kind of front door to Stillwater. The first thing, if this is your first visit to Stillwater, you're gonna pull up to this terminal and you're gonna see something really impressive. And as you walk in, you're gonna get a great first impression of our community.